So in a moment I'm going to play for you my solo guitar arrangement of the classic standard Softly as in a Morning Sunrise. But before I do, I just want to draw your attention to a few things I'm doing in this one. Now when it comes to arranging a melody for solo guitar playing, so chord melody style, you can take it too far sometimes and try and harmonize every note of the melody. And you really don't have to do that. So in this one what I've done is I mix between single note lines and then punctuate other bits with the chords, like this. Another thing I'm doing in this arrangement is utilising a classic chord progression and just swapping out some of the chords. Now the first A section would finish with a bar of C minor 7, then the 2 and the 5, D minor 7 flat 5, G7. What I like to do instead is use this, C minor 7, B flat 7, A flat 7 to G7, so chord 1, down to 7, down to 6, down to 5. This is a classic minor turnaround if you like, and it also works really well on intros. Now that's a useful progression to have in your locker, either for intros, chord melody arrangements like this, or sometimes just to vary the chords when you've got 2 bars of a minor chord. Now gear wise, I'm using my trusty Gibson Super V arch top. This is like a hybrid of between an L5 and a Super 400, and the amp I'm going through is a Tone King Imperial Mark II, and the mic is a Neumann TLM102. If you'd like to learn my arrangement, then you can get a PDF with the tab and notation on the lowest tier of my Patreon page, link in the description.